Play the intro. Still master, so not do. Hey guys, just hanging out, doing some math. So today is goodness. You know, if you've been in my class, which most of you have, if you're watching this, you know that this is a big topic for me. So I am very happy to actually have it on video now, but I'm going to run through it fairly quickly. So we're talking about integers, okay? And we're going to start with adding integers. So if you are adding integers and they have the same sign, you add the numbers, keep the sign. For example, -3 plus -4, they're both negatives. So you add the numbers, 3 plus 4 is 7. They were both negative, so it stays a -7. Don't get that confused with multiplication and division in a second. Okay. If you're adding integers and they're different signs, subtract the numbers, keep the sign of the larger number. So now we've got -3 plus 4. Obviously different signs, that's negative, that's positive. If you subtract the numbers, you'd say 4 minus 3 is, fine, I'll answer it. 4 minus 3 is 1. And what's bigger, the 4 or the 3? The 4 is bigger and it's positive, so it would be +1. Then we move over to, oh good gracious, I just erased it with my fingers. There we go. So, subtracting integers. You want to use the keep, change, flip method. Keep the sign of the first number, change the subtraction to addition, and flip the sign of the second number. So, and then once you do that, you follow the rules for addition. So we've got -5 minus 8. Keep -5, change subtraction to addition, change that 8 to a -8. So now you've got -5 plus 8. On the other side, that would be same sign, add numbers, keep sign. So -5 plus 8, 5 plus 8 is 13. They're both negatives, -13. If you have an example like this, where there is a minus and a negative touching, keep, change, flip still works. But I know the trick that's taught, and it does still work. When a minus and a negative are touching, they have to become a plus. So that becomes a big plus, and now you've got 2 plus 3, which is just 5. But again, keep, change, flip still works. But the way I teach it, if you got a minus and a negative, they're like magnets. They can't help but come together and form a plus. Okay? Then you go to multiplying and dividing. If the signs are the same, it's a positive answer. If the signs are different, it's a negative answer. And then I put this in parentheses. If there's an odd amount of negatives, because sometimes you're multiplying 4 or 5 things. If there's an odd amount of negatives, it's a negative solution. If there's an even amount of negatives, it's a positive solution. And then there's this trusty little diagram here. Positive and positive is a positive. Positive and negative is a negative. Negative and positive is a negative. And a negative and negative is a positive. This is only for multiplying and dividing. I can't stress that enough. Only for multiplying and dividing. Please do not say -5 minus -3 is -8 or something, just because a minus and a minus has to be a plus. I said that way wrong. So forget my last 10 seconds. We're going to edit that out. So please don't say that -5 minus -3 is a positive because it says that here. No. That's subtraction. That's our other rules that we just did. That's the other rules we just did. We are using the rules for multiplying and dividing. Forgive that noise. That was an email. I guess it came through. All right. If you have any questions there, please let me know. Please pause that video if you needed to. I mean, rewatch it. It's there to help you. All right. If there's anything else I can do, let me know. Watch out for puddles and hit the outro. Math. Let's see. Okay. Bye.